In this video, I'll show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to GMGN. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, what you're going to do right now, head over to your GMGN, right? So I'm going to show you how you can connect your Phantom Wallet. At first, before you get started, ensure you do this, right? Ensure you adopt the Phantom Wallet extension to your PC. I think I made a video about that, right? Once you've added it up, it will be easier for you to connect to your GMGN and you can carefully trade your tokens, right? So what you're gonna do right now, once you're in your GMGN dashboard, what you're gonna do right now, I'm gonna click on this connect, right? You're gonna see this sign in wallet. Be displayed with, I think, a couple of wallets you can connect to this, right? Yeah. Yeah, so there's the Phantom wallet, there's the budget, there's the Trust wallet. So these are all the wallets that are available and can be connected. So I want to use the Phantom wallet because this is basically why we are making this video. So I'm gonna click on this Phantom, right? Yeah, so you're gonna get this notification. So you're gonna click on the confirm, right? So you can see right here, I just connected my Phantom wallet to my GMGM, right? So it's very easy. You can see my wallet has been connected to this trading platform, and you can carefully pick and trade your tokens if you want. So this is basically how you can connect your Phantom wallet to your GMG, and this is basically a full video tutorial. If you found this video helpful, ensure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.